Welcome to companieshistory.com. Tide is an American brand of laundry products owned by Procter Gamble. It offers powder and liquid detergents, Tide packs, stain remover, laundry booster, fabric care, and others. Tide is marketed under different names: Ace, in Puerto Rico and elsewhere in Latin America, except in Ecuador and Panama, where it is sold under the Tide brand name; Daz, in the United Kingdom; Alo, in Turkey; Vizier, in Poland and France; and Fab, in Hong Kong, Malaysia, and Singapore. Tide's history began in the 1930s, when Procter & Gamble scientist David Byerly was determined to develop the world's first heavy-duty laundry detergent under Project X. After 7 years of experimenting, the project was cancelled. This did not stop Byerly, who continued working on the project in secret. After 14 years, he finally created a soap that didn't just wash, it could clean all the stains of the day. The prototype product X was quickly named Tide. When Procter & Gamble saw the power and possibilities of product X, they immediately knew they needed to bring it to market. In 1946, Tide officially became available, and was called the Washday Miracle. Tide, along with the invention of washing machines, changed the way households did laundry by reducing the manual labor required. By 1949, Tide became the leading laundry detergent in the United States. In the 1950s, the loading washing machines became available, and a box of Tide came packed inside each new washing machine. In 1968, Tide launched the first U.S. laundry detergent with enzymes, Tide XK, which helped to remove tough stains like food and red stains. In 1984, Liquid Tide was launched. In 1992, Ultra Liquid Tide, a compact liquid detergent, was introduced. In 2005, Tide Loads of Hope was launched after the Hurricane Katrina devastation, providing free laundry services to families affected by disasters. In 2005, Tide To Go and Tide Cold Water were also launched. The Tide To Go Stain Releaser Pen allowed consumers to touch up stains anywhere and in any situation on the go, and Tide Cold Water allowed consumers to wash at a lower temperature. In 2012, Tide Pods was launched. A Tide Pods pack includes stain fighters, odor fighters, and brighteners. In 2016, Tide launched its first plant-based laundry detergent, Tide PureClean, made with 75% plant-based ingredients. In 2020, as life changed due to the COVID-19 pandemic, Tide Loads of Hope, powered by Tide Cleaners, provided free laundry services to frontline responders and their families across the United States. Today, Tide is one of the most iconic laundry detergent brands in the world. To learn more about Tide and the largest companies and brands in the world, visit companieshistory.com. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe.